Ahoy everyone! Welcome to the two-part series where we'll take you along on a journey through the famous Halong Bay. Join us as we set sail on a 2-night voyage with Peony Cruise. So, let's dive in! We started with a smooth check-in process before boarding a tender that took us to our main boat. All aboard! With everything set, it was time to embark and let the adventure begin. However, our first sight along the way wasn't exactly what we had expected. But as we continued, things started to look much better. And now it's time to check out the rooms.
I love it. I'm excited to take a bath.
Our first expedition took us kayaking out to Frog Pond. We had a chance to swim at the end, but the water wasn't appealing. We decided instead to go for happy hour for the 2-for-1 cocktails. Dinner was absolutely delicious, as you can see. However, there was one confusing aspect. On one side of the dining room, they seated 1-night passengers, while on the other side, 2-night passengers. So, who's leaving the ship and how does this process work?
you take one
Oh.
over there. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, is it already on there?
Yeah.
There you go, Amber.
What, just pick it up?
Yep. Pick it up, bounce it up and down. I don't know.
Fish with it. See the lure there.
You should have Googled squid fishing first.
Yeah.
So you catch something.